today we're going to try this thing. So
you're gonna make a Valentine Suncatcher?
Maybe. So we put it on the window and test it out.
Dinosaur.
Okay.
I'm making a dinosaur.
So first you weigh it. Then you glue it. Stand on the lines.
We'll read the wild robot when Ayana's finished with the Suncatcher.
Okay, 2 minutes on those.
He has 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
See, it's 2 minutes.
Okay.
Can you turn off this red color? We can turn off the TV.
I'm doing really well.
Okay.
Oopsies. You have to put the paper so you can make your artwork great. Okay, there's one more piece right here. This itty bitty piece. It looks like a something. Whatever. Okay. Which one? Go.
Okay, I think you need a piece up at the top of the heart.
Huh? A piece?
Yeah, do you need a small piece up there?
Yeah. Okay. It's Mario time. Here somehow, whatever. Can I get this? My favorite color, blue.
Sure.
There's one more here.
Okay. Now we'll let that dry.